Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 71st tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about unions. Now unions are again user-defined data types, and just as we saw structures, that structures do not have fixed properties, unions also do not have fixed properties. So it can have as many member variables as you want it to have, and you can define what properties your members in the union should have. Right, so in this tutorial we are going to see how we can define a union, and then how we can declare a union variable, and then also how we can access the members of the union using the member access operator. So as you can see, using code blocks, I've saved a file. I've given it the name unions.c. On line 1 in this file I have the stdio.h header file. On line 2 I have the string.h header file, and then on line 3 I have typed in the keyword union. Right, so this is a keyword in C, and you have to type this whenever you are defining a union. And then I have given a space, and then I have typed in the word university, which in this case is the name of the union that we're going to have in the program. And then on line number 4 I have an opening curly brace, and there's corresponding closing curly brace on line number 7. So all the member declaration statements have to be between these two curly braces. Right, and then on line number 7 I could have declared the union variable, but I haven't done that. I have declared the union variable inside the main function. So let's check out the main function now. On line number 8 I have declared it, and then on line number 9 I have the opening curly brace for main, and then on line number 10 I have typed in the union keyword again, and then I have specified the name of the union in the program, which is university, and then finally I have specified the name of the union variable, which is student. Right, so that's the name I've given to the variable. And then on line number 11 I have initialized the s_age member of the union. The union, by the way, has two members. The first one is an integer, and it's called s_age, so it's supposed to hold age of a student belonging to university. And then on line number 6 I have declared another member, and this is a character array. Right, so it's basically a string. It's called s_name, and it can hold a maximum of 30 characters. So then on line number 12 I have displayed the value of s_age variable that I have initialized on line 11. And to initialize this member, what you have to do is you have to specify the union variable name first, which in this case is student. Then you have to type in the member access operator, which is the dot or period, and then the name of the member, which is s_age. And since this is an integer, I can give it a value by using the assignment operator, and I've given an integer value 22 to this member. And then I've used the printf statement to display the value of the s_age member on screen. Now if I would have initialized the s_name string immediately after initializing the s_age member of the union, then the s_age member would have lost its value. And what I mean by that is, at a time only one union member can have a value. Right, so this is an advantage that unions have over structures, and it's also a disadvantage. So if you are working in a scenario where you want to save memory, and you know that you'll have 5 members, and out of those 5 members you're going to use only one at a time, then it makes sense to have a union. But if you know that at a time out of 5 members you're going to have 3 in active mode, then it makes sense to have a structure instead of a union. Right, so unions help you save memory, but then you should know that if you have 4 members in a union, then at a time you can have only one with some value. Right, so that's why I have displayed the value of the s_age member on screen before initializing the s_name member of the union. And to initialize the s_name member, since it's a string, I've used the strcpy method, and again within parentheses I've first specified the union variable name, which is student, the member access operator, which is dot, and then the name of my member, which is s_name, and then I've put in a comma, and then within double quotes I've passed a string, and I've specified my name here, so that's Madhur. And then on line number 14 I've used a printf function with the %s format specifier to display the value of the s_name member of the union. So let me run this program and show you guys the output. So in the output window, we see that the student age is 22, the student name is Madhur, right? So that's it for now. I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next one, in which we'll discuss something interesting for sure. And please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and I'm going to see you soon.